Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we're going to see how to borrow money on Cash App. Borrowing money through Cash App is quick, but it depends on your eligibility. Firstly, open Cash App and make sure you have the latest version installed. Go to the Balance tab and look for the Borrow option. If you don't see it, you're not eligible yet because Cash App unlocks it for selected users only. Now, if you see it, tap Borrow and choose the amount you'd like to borrow up to your limit. Carefully read the repayment schedule, interest, and fees, then it only continue if you're comfortable with the terms. Now provide your full social security number, enter your cash PIN, and verify your legal name, address, and date of birth. To confirm your borrow request, just tap Confirm when ready. The borrowed funds will be instantly deposited in your Cash App balance. Just know that borrowing isn't available for everyone. It depends on your account activity, credit history, and whether you meet Cash App's eligibility requirements. And that's it, guys. As simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this.